When we talk about selling on Amazon, nobody is talking about this. We face high Amazon advertisement PPC costs, account suspensions, negative review problems, changing algorithms, Amazon policy compliance issues, intellectual property issues, customer returns, taxation and legal compliance issues. What if I told you that there is a solution that can help you overcome all of these challenges and more? You need to get our free Amazon course where you will get access to our comprehensive Amazon private label course worth $300 absolutely free. This course covers everything you need to know to launch and scale your private label products on Amazon. Plus, you will get done-for-you automations and funnels. So you get done-for-you Amazon product sales automations and funnels, which are the GoHighLevel ready snapshots. Just enter your Amazon product link and our ready-made systems will start working for you from day one. So our Amazon advertising strategy, you will learn how to advertise your products on Facebook, Instagram and other social media platforms, minimizing your spend on Amazon PPC. So we will show you how to leverage coupons, discounts and promotions to drive traffic to your Amazon product page and track sales effectively. And then with our email marketing and tracking strategies, you will learn how to collect email addresses in exchange for coupons and discounts. This will help us track sale and build a list of interested customers. And when we talk about tracking sales and customer behavior, if a customer doesn't buy, we will follow up with further offers to encourage a purchase. If they do buy, we'll move them into a workflow designed to get positive reviews, which also help us do our remarketing, where we'll use our collected email list for remarketing our future products with a trusted, ready-to-buy customer base, so you can launch new products without the need for expensive ads, and we'll also have immediate sales. Finally, about our lifetime support, you will enjoy lifetime support with our weekly question and answer support sessions in every step of the way, ensuring you succeed making $1 million brand on Amazon with the help of GoHighLevel. So you'll be given access to the private community group where you will get all of your bonuses, funnels, trainings, meeting links and all. All of this is available to you for free when you sign up for GoHighLevel using my affiliate link. There are no hidden fees or additional paid courses, so you get everything you need to succeed, along with lifetime support, which is our weekly question and answer and support sessions. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or the link mentioned in the first comment below. Sign up for GoHighLevel and let's take your Amazon business to the next level together. So thank you for your time and I look forward to seeing you in our training sessions.